No, man. Let me go, man. What problem? What the problem?
Where you go?
Pinky, where you go tell me, say? Where you go tell me, say? Where you can't tell me, say? Talk to me about what? After all of this, look what me do for you. And this are your thanks me get. No have good man, don't know for deal with good man, you know.
Come here, no.
Just leave me now, man. Leave me now. Just leave me, man. No, no, for deal with good man. All my years I've been a good man. Let me go on. Just let me go now. Talk to me about what? What is there to talk about?
Be me sorry for what me do. I don't know why you go. Just please stay with me.
You sorry you never burn me up. What that you mean for say? All my years I've been a good man. Me work 24/7. Me don't know way me not give to you. And these are the thanks. These are the thanks. The latest you get. All the gadgets, everything I have me pour out to you. What else you could ask her?
Me don't even know what happened, B. Honestly, me don't even know what happened. Maybe me head name upon my body. B, me don't want you go. Just please stay with me.
No. Everybody. You use condom? Answer me! I deserve an answer.
Yes.
Shit. If somebody tell me so this is happen. Me not tell them some my mother must be a man. These are the thanks. What do you deserve this? Woman can't wicked so. Look man it. My underpants. My shirt. My cologne. My food. Pinky and me work and buy them here. Pinky you don't work. All you do is sit on a yard. That's the luxury of what other woman don't have.
B, even if you're not stay, I just beg forgiveness. Please.
Pinky just
Everybody
just
make
leave me
mistake and nobody
just leave me out.
perfect.
Just leave me out. This
Please,
mistake are the worst
perfect.
mistake. You could have done me anything but cheat from me, Pinky. Pinky, what me do for deserve this? Pinky, of all the things you think of, no,
Please,
of all the things you think of, man.
I can't do it. Babe, you know me had something to talk to you about though. Like, me been a consider if I say it to you or what, but eventually we have to talk about it because that go show.
It a go show? What you talk about?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Right now, babes, I don't even know how that all going on. I can't make my wife know about this now. You're pregnant? Right now, star. I know, so what you plan to do about this? I can't make my wife know nothing about this now, babes. I know it's a tear up my brain, star. I don't even know what I feel. I think about my wife, my family, right now. I know, star. Jaja. Wow. So, what you plan to do about this?
What you mean by what me I gonna do about this? Are the two of we in there? Are the two of we have to do something about it? Because you did already know say you're in a relationship before you come mingle with me. So the two of we are gonna figure out something to do.
One thing, you know. You have to just get rid of that.
What you mean by get rid of this?
You can't make my wife know nothing about this right now.
I'm not gonna throw your child outside of my belly. So we have to go, like, we have money. We can just go somewhere, just forget about everything behind you and come.
Listen to yourself. What make you so heartless? You really want me to abandon my family? Eh? Right now, I have a young baby palm breast. Wait, listen to yourself. You mad? How if you abandon my family? Eh?
You did already know that she have
What you
a
talk
family.
about?
And you still coming with me. You not abandon your family, but you want me to abandon my family. Me not that should have pick me. Me a keep it. And you see if you don't mind me, I come up your yard and sit down by your veranda.
My veranda? My veranda? Mama, we know what to do with you, here. You know what? Come out here. Let go from me. Let go from me. Let go.
Mama, we know what to do with me up there. Or me, we know what to do with Mama up there.
This is not me, you know. This is not me. I can't leave my family. We do something reckless. And we have to work out that. I can't leave my family.
But I not like me come to you and did I tell you to leave your family in the beginning. Me just did I simply ask you what we are going to do about it. And it seems like you just want to lift the burden upon me, left everything to me.
So, if you know that shit way, and me not leave my family, so what we are going to do? We are going to do this in a secret same way?
This is not how me did plan for raising my picnic, you know. Honestly, we never want to raise a child like this, but we're already in it. So, we have to just continue until we can come up with something to do about it. But, this is not what we are going to do indefinitely, you know. But just give you some time to figure out what you are going to do. Because we have to come up with something to do about it.
Okay, fine. Fine. But don't come to me yard, you know. Remember, say the secret. I have to let you know, so me call you when I reach in.
Try to make sure you call me, you know. Because if you don't call me, your wife when me I call.
You saw me I work with you? Don't bother with the foolishness, you know. Me call you when I reach up. How you get my wife number?
Don't worry yourself. Me have all our mother number too. Just make sure say you call me when you reach up, you know.
Girl, I can't lie me for one man. No time I don't hear lonely girl and one man. I'm sure I don't know anything already. I say me I come link you.
Wait there. Pinky, where you said to me a while ago? You are one man?
Some know somebody.
Oh, yes, sassy. Calm down, man. Don't get me wrong. Not that the way they mean. But anyways, how comes you lonely? Talk to me.
Girl, I'm lonely. 3 months now, I don't get one sort out in a girl.
I lie.
I'm in a yard now. I feel like I want something, girl. Right now, I have a priest and I want to buy one deal and one vibrator.
No, girl. We just never know say you come down. Isn't me? But nobody feel shame. Isn't me? Cause right now, even though me have that man up, so I still have everything in my drawer. But I believe it. Anyways, so why you type?
Girl, I like the man them with Salish and Brown and Maga. You know, Maga man have a buzz.
But let me ask you a question, Pinky. You're slim and all, and you say you want slim man, don't? I wonder if you know say slim man have the thing, the real tall thing, rifle. You can manage that?
I say I want a Maga man with the buzz, girl. You know, hear me? I say, I'm like in the ear, me I say, girl. I must can manage if me I tell her what I want, the type what I want. I want the Maga man with the buzz. The buzz. Girl. Just let you.
I don't want to give you a Maga man and then you end up that's you reach a hospital, you know. You sure you can manage?
Girl, if you give me man, you give me man.
You like that one?
The one, yeah. Yeah, girl, the one that have a buzz. Jesus. Quite nice. Give me phone. Let me see him.
Anyways, you want me to call him or something? Mama! No, man, you have to give me phone. You want me to call him or something?
Right now. Call him right now.
Mama, you sure you can manage? I don't want a normal piece of boy this end.
If you give me man, call
I
him.
just want your girl. I don't want your say. Anyways.
Are you want him man or Rami? Call him man.
Yo, Kelani. Me there you gate, you know. Me see all of miss call them, man. Me busy on the road today.
How are you there at the gate? Alright, may I come. People are calling for your phone and can't get you.
Yo, me busy on the road the whole day today. Yo, but I want to go.
My youth, come on for a bite. I can go over there to go chat.
Alright, no problem.
So you see, you call me the caller today?
Mm-hmm.
Because my friend come link me and saying only and he want a man. But he be specific with the type of man we want. You understand? One slim man will have a buzz. You understand?
But me no slim.
Well, the picture I share with you, she okay with it. So the only thing right now is to make sure so you can work your thing. You understand?
Right now you see a lot right now. Me see one picture with her right now. Me see what she look like.
Jaja, but even I left the phone on here. But anyways, me WhatsApp him if the picture to you and make you see. But remember now, come on, be specific with how you want him to come not to one tarry out here. Make sure so you can do your thing good enough, you understand?
Yo, no worry yourself, man. I know if you deal with me thing. Just WhatsApp me picture, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah. New girl, I hope I want tickers with him at the big out and chest push.
Seasons change.
I mean, me born, me get pan altar. If me not know you,
the wind whispers.
Jesus' love is a bubbling over.
For me, you left your throne and traded the crown for thorns instead. Actually, I know. Sing your. You make me feel like a
Me not think I'm gospel one.
anything.
I remember mama and the love.
May I get emotional? May I make you sing that one at yourself? You know?
Kneeling by her bedside, I could still hear mama say, the people are depending on you, Carly. Don't you let them down. I remember mama in a happy way.
My acting skills are come along.
With hopes in our shoes. We didn't have much, but the Lord saw us through.
Happy Mother's Day.
Had a lot of love way down deep inside. Yes, it did. I remember mama in a happy way.
What one?
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about when me I go. And where you a go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, say don't get me hard, me I go do.
Oh, Ronnie, you know it's a long time I like you.
You like me, so long it take to tell me that.
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, know? Where you go out and search for anywhere you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip them so you look like you're in a mood, man. What you say about that? want to tell how I enjoy it, you know.
Me too.
Wow, when I wish if we can see all that time, if you have a look comfortable, you know. How to do it in a work comfortable.
Yeah, come in never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you because I don't want to keep you out too late, so time already late, so. So, we'll link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, you come over. I'm gonna do a whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
My youth, what may you say going with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
What may you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing what you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? What problem?
No, man. No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. Me, I want to tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
A boy
upper
think
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you know Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend, you know. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say, no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you to put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry,
Oi,
what on?
what there?
You know where Papa me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa me I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty. Cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Popeye after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm going to tell you, I go back to
I can't take him mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still.
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! I him. I come on, they come talk about me, I watch him. But we tell people where my girl is. When my girl is, you're a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? Yeah, what? Me shadow? Yeah, me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about I'm me so me do. Yeah, me shadow. Yeah, come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit with me. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose money, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You think I'm afraid of you? Just wait. Me want to lose you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, that place now. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see up on the road, you know.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on my foot. And once you jump on my foot, it they go kick. So top.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam not a rent like a him. And I can talk about me say him a girl is. When me know say him a girl clone already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girl
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen, when me did say yesterday, me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside, because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl, because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is, girl fool. And you can't tell the man, oh, me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night
On my birthday, man. You know me, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about business. Yo, one birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, calm down, man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? I need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come on, that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you man.
Go to my house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, you get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, man, just be, my brethren will link up over there, so we are talk about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things, you know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you, you know.
Come link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know? Do. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on there. Hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me to the fence into here, lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, oh me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess, you know, a girl like you, I know, so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know, so I'm telling you this.
Hello, if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We have grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can... Come on.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there, so I look one girl, and you come out and look me?
You see a dog that?
I'm rolling.
Boy, this girl is not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care about it, I don't get it done in there, you see me?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yo, deal with it, you know?
Yeah. Deal with it, man.
Just relax yourself, no, man. I done kill all things already. You need to fuss up yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and I'm just command us buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need a support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never forward. But you can charge me 80,000 or the dollar.
So far, man. You give me a call.
You're not here.
So far, man, no one do anything. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. Then I come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I got in my book. And kind of get a look at one piece, you know. I just feel emotional, love it, but
Yo, what, Papa?
shocking.
Look how more you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Why do something for me? Can you do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, you little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, now you give her this for me, I hear? Give her this for me, I hear? Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see baby. I will give it.
The man up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bully shot. A she give you a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you, can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. Make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see ya right later send go by ya. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know say girl no want you.
Kira, You left all the way from down there, so. Down there, so. Come up here, so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me my paper. Give me my paper. Give me my paper.
Lucky.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's the two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really a lay wait me for. I said, we come down.
Your mission to go deal with the number now.
You're not good for borrow. You're not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me done better look fun. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know, the girl when you're bullish,
Yeah, if you don't go well, you right on this up.
yeah. And that's why they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl, nothing that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. You're not good for borrow.
Massa girl. Girl. Big bad party I keep a suave. Guess who I keep the party friend? Girl, me say I reach here Everly big bad yellow party. Breakfast party at that. Best the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I not have a cash already, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. A Richie buy this a bus you give me. Me I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. Me I go come pick you up and we go to a party. Me have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
No, you're gonna work out.
So, babes, are really a flip right now?
Remember, say tell me, say I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come. Put on your shoes. Already?
Wagwan. Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up a VGG, you see. But anyways, it's a red money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up.
Little bit now.
Babes, you know so don't want to give but my period come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent
No,
due.
I like your lips, sir. I really like your lips, sir. So nobody has to about no period. And now, make period do period business. I am about the more business. So you say,
Babes.
listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to pull down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And yeah, get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now because today's a hot day to beef bar.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or a Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only live Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive blue parade down there, sir.
Yes, man. I him same one. But what you know about him? Or which division him? I may ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Whoa. Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan me?
I'm not scanning. But I never scan you. But you just diss me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Once something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, so you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Yeah? Who will you take me for?
I know, girl, and babes. You know
Listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious to this now. Anyways, I'll go home, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
You love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
You, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
So much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go on now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go on, I don't choice. But I don't know if you can let me on 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you got to your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000. Which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days there? But lay them things them and I get them back, you know, and you tear them from fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really want to help me? Tell me for you want help me?
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this man. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like you want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, me have to go for money around. So me only need, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look a hurry. So send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? We go pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because you know what I mean, we work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we talk, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back if you know more money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come all now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you can get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking you can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about it.
Shelly. Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And your things, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something before I get out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some my time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like say if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for not a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call. Hey, you know, something like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because you know, that nose ring, they're nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell here.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey, hey.
Ashani wore me up a lot.
Oh, so Ashani made this sing and them Shani made sing song for Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of going to have to come out.
I look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the butt, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make you never make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man a stress, problem and all these things. Me? single, free, and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want one real businessman or one lawyer. Or something.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money, me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
And
no
a
worry,
car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall. In the name of God, Miss Woon.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man match up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah,
You have
me
it.
own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right, sir.
See you, sir. See you,
Feel
sir.
that.
Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we did all go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo, no, I'm arresting you fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, my virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area and say me that.
Ashley, your name? Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care. For real, man. Tell us, fire in the border.
No fire in there, but we there.
Yeah, we there. Yeah.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, we like your friends still. Probably will drive out to that door. And then I'll take a walk. What you say about that?
How much do you like?
I do me like, man. Me like she too, you know, but...
Ready?
So we have one so far.
Why you see a car? I see a car.
Brush off your drinks come
So, hold on up. Where is the fire in the border?
I'm fire in there, but we there. Come. Wait, carry. I enjoyed that. Girl! Girl, you sick. Get up, me just drink, say you're coming.
You did a 6.
Come here, let's get it. What the? That's a come up there. It's a girl. Then the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream, say you're going with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man no go on.
Fun with what? You want to do it in a car and that type of how you want me to go in yard or something. Thank you, no.
Tappiness. Watch this mix up on you.
I'm going to What?
You can duck quack.
Look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and go look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, I wait for the road. Where are they, sir?
Oh, they deal with it, sir.
I can't come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk on.
Yeah. Me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jig is
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey. Got it. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go to the car.
No, answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about that? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, babes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, man. Which river now go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back, come link you, man. Me tell you, it's something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with me.
But you give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. nice. How do you see your name? Quack quack.
Quack quack.
You look like you have money. You can get a girl son.
Enough money, man, but watch out. Can't go back way in there.
Back way that one. I have to buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master.
We have to talk some. I have money. Come in here, man.
Give me money first.
Come in here, now.
2 pounds of chicken. Rice.
Yo, your shit better than
Liquor juice.
No, I'm show you something. Watch out. Watch out.
Give me
I'm
that.
not sure. A foreign money may I give you quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in here, what is? Come in here, 20 euro.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in
That's
here,
your word.
come in here, no, man.
Like kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in here, just come in here.
Take it on the back. Wacht met jou. Ready?
Hey, you know, something like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Wanna buy?
Ask her again.
Yes, sis.
Ask her again.
Oh, alright, tell me then.
Ready?
You know, so do
Dog.
You know.
No talking.
It again. Talk now, Jutta.
Talk now, Jutta.
I'm sorry about my manners, but my name is Hector
Actually,
Smith,
my name.
aka Yaman Jutta.
Ready?
My name is Care.
No, I can't take on the weed though, but no, I like your friend still, and I'll probably drive out with her, or you know, I take a walk. You see me?
I'm just what you like.
I do me like, man. I like she too, you know, but
Ready?
shall we have one?
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel that way about the whole situation. I make no sense. The body still make no sense.
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say oh. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, and somebody come tell me, you know, and somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me here there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me here there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You know think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a go around me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Why wonder Papa go some misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free, you know? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why? You don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. That's what I could choke. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, no boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me need a penetrate by the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it, though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something make me hard and bad. So, I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why, you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, rude structure, you know. Oh, alright. Well, see you. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see him miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want to tell you. The one of them in the yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not even nothing right now. Blow bars me out to have you now. You man not even nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really? That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I'll say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute you want something from her. Me I touch her, she a box me off of my hand. Me go down close from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? Man, I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly. Cause that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Me get over she live on the highway, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me I think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go up on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. You do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And now man something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you are going so far. You ain't hear them a sing song about lick lick. Now man something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
That wicked your mouth, bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming forward, yeah. I try to think and see what I go on because, yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I just go on like everything smooth because I don't know I go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You don't make no sense. You don't run up and down with them bag of girl.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there because long time she crazy. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she approve me, brother.
Come on, say you're right.
Let's check it, bro, and see what I want. So, you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
This is one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Ruga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me now. Alright. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of son, I ever talk, man. It's a long time I see him. You know what I mean? Woo-yo, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean? Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean? So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. It's just happen. You know what I mean? Yeah.
You look like you have something to say, and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen. Get to the point.
I need it in my life. I'll tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things. And you've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. Then me want you. You need it. You understand? So I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm gonna take care of it. I talk about take care, I don't talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, sir. Hold on there. You really think some don't want you?
Me?
Fi do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you will penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have did long time. You forgot to me, you woman a friend. And you come and look me. Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one if or something. You explain my problem them to you. Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
You both can excel to the next step.
Come on. No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, I done say what I say, you just not work out. Everything good. Yes, sir.
My body you want to cut
no, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
You doing everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank God, I'm just a pass of me. I'm see him half a turn back. You know what I mean? Something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
We are set. Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about Mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something a minute more. You know, me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, Mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple in here?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here to still, you know, I see how me can't tell me yeah for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from you know. You know what I mean? We can't go up and start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till the thing.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
But me have my woman too. What's up with the case so we can work out something?
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water, me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Come on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
Yeah.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. Me girl like brother. But the girl is like me, you know.
Hey, girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up. And we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl, them this. That lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir. What do you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make.
Joe. Me can't beg us on credit. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit.
Alright.
You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, you know, cause she has sought me out to know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man their way. We just deal with woman and I give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, you know. But every minute she call you and tell you that she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit go give her. I give you a few months, I'm not see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can go and talk, you know, cause everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all you good all share too.
Excited credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody the excitement. Come, where's the happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl, me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you ready for one, yeah? So girl, where you tell me some if you call in and me see the walk come away they go?
Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. We have to walk or meet you with it. Come sit down and tell about it.
Okay.
Brad, what one? You know, say I even look for one.
For this one, consider yourself.
So Brad, what you doing your saddle? What you want to do on your saddle?
Right no more. Not even up to this right now. Because enough dip on the brain right now.
The day after, you know. So you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know, you can't tell me anything, not true. So all it's just me off for your head, I have to take them off, because I'm there for you. But I still want to hear what's just you and what you for your head still.
Remember Jaden, my older brother?
Yeah, man, remember Jaden, man, all up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say hotel you see him come from though. You know, again, look at them fire him. I understand. I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. And I have stress. But anyway, I'm going to lay low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, you know. So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know say your brother breed that cat be the way you tell me about say your brother breed? And your brother for know, and you know instead of your brother.
Mama, a bag of things are going on. I don't even know what to tell us. I don't know. I swear.
Remember Jay?
Jay. Which year that day?
You remember Jaden from Good Up?
Brown Jaden we used to go high school with?
Him same one.
And he start work at Sanders now?
No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla?
Yes girl. So what happened now?
She not breed for Jaden.
So hold on there. Jaden not married?
Then night girl.
Hey! So hold on there. Where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story?
You know I say we can't do to load it up still, but Yeah, we soon get it fully. Well, if people them wanna call me, so really attack, really go on.
Alright, girl, me have my ear for go deal with too. So we link.
Babes, you hear me I say?
Alright.
You listen to me?
Yeah, I listen to you. What you say?
A 3 year now with them, me ever give a reason. They say, yeah, me a cheat for you or something wrong. Or me have an ex girl out the road. Me not take care of you and make sure you alright.
Yeah.
So why you don't want to come live with me? You not comfortable with me? Babe, me not depend on the pitney thing. I want a comfortable life. I'm ready to settle down. I not depend on the cheating and go around and play business. You see me I say? I have your own and can protect you, make sure you're alright and everything good.
And I say I don't want to live with you and start the whole family and thing, right? But if I look into it, 3 years not long. You understand? And a previous relationship, them, my Russian never work. And I really, really like you. You understand?
But everybody are not the same.
Yeah, but this one, I want it to be perfect. Like, they said nothing is perfect, but this one, I put my all in for this one.
And I do also.
And then the apartment I'm rent, it closer to my job and it's easier to go there.
Well, I will pay taxi time for you to take it to work.
Christina, look how man take care of you and spend money on you, everything. I'll get you along a nice place, I work one thing, and I pay rent for your girl and thing. And yeah, go on like you know, want to run some of my come out of my place. Come out of my place. Don't matter if I put out online and you link them right now. Come out of here. As me, I don't come back. I even have pay rent. Go on like you know, want to run the club.
Just sit with me. Just sit with me this once.
Well, alright. I'll give you some time. Just think about it and make sure that everything works out well. Because right now, I'm tired of to live alone. I go to work and come in, I have to cook for myself. I don't have nobody there. Night time, I'm boring. I'm tired of to talk to you on phone. I need comfort.
I understand.
Okay. So, well, hold on. Hello? Huh? Alright, may I come?
Now what happened?
May I come? Be, may I have to cut me.
Now what happened?
Well, that's something I have to deal with up a yard. I have to deal with it now. Something I have to go up a yard and deal with. I have to cut.
You sure?
Yeah, I have to leave. Me call you.
Okay.
And make you know so everything alright. Alright, later.
Love you.
Love you too.
Jano Star. It's like everyone go up pay bad luck. Jano Star. It's like everyone go up pay crosses. My bad luck. Pay bad luck follow me. Now this about boss I can go like say my body and my judge.
A long time I see this girl now. I'll call her.
How that?
Hey, landlord. I money me come find a man.
Greg, just give me a little more time, my youth. You just have to understand how things are run with me now.
Every week me come check if you earn money, give me your girl on. I mean I'm begging on front in a girl.
Why you just have to understand my situation?
I want to do something money, man.
Just give me a little more time. All me I beg a little more time.
Let me tell you this, man. I no pick up money and build me house, you know.
Ma, you just easy now.
Some money, sir.
My situation now.
You said me come back in the next couple of days. I'm gonna get my money. Now put you out, yeah? I'm a done chat. Done chat, man. Chop.
Nice. As usual. Call again.
Everyone is still stress, you like, me no know. You, I wouldn't have called me.
Call back.
Akim this.
Akim this shop alone. Walk on, girl.
Ages me not hear from you, my friend. I'm landlord, so give me some problem. I come and get for me to call.
Oh. We just did a call because a long time I don't hear from you and sitting so. Oh, okay. So we can link up today or something. Oh, okay. You know which part I live though? Okay. Here, when you reach a serve, you let me know. Let me direct you after. Alright? Alright, no problem. From the hotel, girl. You just left the hotel work. I don't hear nothing from you. I call you till a week. You just ghost spam me. What really happened?
Girl, she didn't even know what going on.
Talk to me.
The things are going, I'm depressed and things like that. I don't have family, nor nobody. I just depend on my own.
Really?
Yeah, and things like that. I just depend on my own. Then I get my second job and things even now run right there. So I just have to let the job at the end.
So, what you mean by your family and have your family? Like, what happened to you and your family? So, like, none of them can help, not even one cousin, auntie, nothing?
I don't even know where to start from. Because right now, my rent due, bills to pay, and it's like, I don't know where money will come from. And right now, it's like I don't have no family. If I tell you the last thing, but one of my aunties said to me the other day, you wouldn't even believe.
I could have what your auntie said to you, so that
She said, only thing would have hurt when me dead, would have hurt them when me dead, is money what they must spend for my funeral.
Why, Christine? Rough on you. But you just tell me a while ago, me didn't even want help. Me wouldn't even help. Wouldn't want them help me. Not even spend $100 for help me.
Girl, if she didn't even know me glad when me see her call me. I rent, so not true.
Yeah.
But I love if we could have moved in with you, one pay a little rent, help you pay a little bills, till me get one other work. Like, me easy to live with you, know. I will live with you and not even know I'm there. Me help you cook, and me help you clean.
Alright.
I just want you to help me out as a friend. And I for a long time, you know. I don't have nobody else. I just you alone me have. And you alone me can depend on right now. Believe me.
Alright, me will help you. But here's what we are going to do now. I want you look after your resume application with ASAP because we're on the road every day. So I could have just drop off it for you. I know you as a girl with multitask, right? So just look after them something and good to go. Try to get to one job quick and fast. So when you are planning to come in?
Well, you know what say my things them did down there already, may I go for them.
So this a girl didn't know something else say yes or something, she come prepared. Man, they expect nobody not today. Still. Oh God. You mean to tell me, say, you not have not even one little spooky, one little boyfriend or nothing we can help you out?
Why him, if me tell how long me single right now, you wouldn't believe it. Me single 2 years and odd now. And times like these, you can't only find one good man. And some of them are man a girl, some of them just dirty, some of them just want like anything they see they run towards. I could tell you when buck about one good man.
Me realize still, but and every man stays so still. You understand? But come to think about it, 2 years in our relationship for girl. So we don't want you to touch up on things. The other part they go.
Kim, right now, sexually is my problem. When the feeling come out, me just going to like cold water and then I mean that, so I'm gonna sleep. Right now, I never worth it for me run down sex because I pay this is the right place right now. So, and worse how me have so much I think about and so much to put together, sex not relevant right now.
So not even one bullet you have, girl. But anyways, over the side kitchen and over that the side there bathroom, you can catch right beside of me. So yeah, that's about it. If there's anything else I need to make you know, I will make you know.
Well, Kim, I really appreciate this now because family, I don't have no family that do this for me. Furthermore, I don't have no family at all. So I really appreciate what you do for me.
That's good, man.
I hope this is something at work. Like, you can't find one good movie.
Yeah, look for.
Like Jamaican movie, like one Richard Bromfield movie.
But anyway, you take him still have to go show you how to work the remote in case I'm not there.
Yeah.
But can they look like the place lock up long time, man, and then stop using?
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stop to use it. Forward.
So what you say you're going on now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry him up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw?
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. Some of mine you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, I have a piece of food in a bus, you know. I have to do it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember I have a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though, you see I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, I like it. Good. Wow, you have taste though. You got yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man them I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot man.
And I second down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did marry them. I mean, you know. One day I go through his stuff them and I find one wedding paper. When he come from work, I ask him about it. He said no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on his side. You know tell me, a people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there is one woman up there and the woman 3 pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't, every time I walk on the road, I have to hold on my head. That's why I have to chop you now, Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out that I'm pregnant for him, that's why I did let go of country. I remember I tell you I'm pregnant. You see, after me find out that I'm pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him, say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him to come out of the house, man. Pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there, so make him stay out there, man.
You know, say true. And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as I say one man, you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like a then church boy, you know, we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because me ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man, the boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it them time they like to give me. So you know, say, if the man want one high cement on me, because you see to me and say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay with forever when they know deep down they not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want to hear. And then they have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants say a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them are no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when I did there with before. Girl, me say, if you want ice cement, me give him. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You body no Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in no Candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money figure. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call it. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Choppings.